Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on OPPO Find X3 Neo. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then on top of the page there's mobile network. We can go for the data usage, then there's data usage limit. Here you can change the starts calculating data from specific day of the month. So in this case, I'm gonna go for the first day of the month. Then we have daily data usage limit that we can change. Enter the number right here and change the megabytes to gigabytes or vice versa. Then there's when data limit is reached, we can receive alert only or send the alert and turn off mobile data automatically. Now let's add that limit, and keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So I just went for 5000 megabytes, which is 5 gigabytes. We're gonna confirm it, and here's the mobile data limit set. There's also option to set the monthly data usage limit, and you can change the number the same way, send alert or receive or turn off mobile data. And here the unique option we have is data warning, and we can also change when to receive it. So for example, when we reach 2 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes, I want to receive the alert. You can also turn it off just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.